Hello viewers. In this tutorial I discuss about instruction set of classifications in Microprocessor 8085. So actually what is instruction? An instruction is a binary pattern designed inside a microprocessor to perform a specific function. Okay, that's called instruction. And the entry group of instruction is called instruction set. In this, the following 5 functional categories in instruction set of 8085 microprocessor. These are data transfer, arithmetic operations, logical operations, branching operation, and machine control operation. Clear? So now, in this, first I discuss about data transfer operation. This group of instruction copy data. Mainly, this data transfer means copy data from a location called a source to another location called destination, okay, without modifying the contents of the source. In technical manuals, the term of data transfer is used for this copying, okay, mind it, copying function. In this case, the types of data transfer is between register. One is between register, and next one is specifying data by to a register or a memory location, okay, and then next one is between a memory location and a register, okay, and last one is between an input output device and the accumulator, okay. So after next, the arithmetic operation. We know that simply arithmetic operation, this is instruction pattern of arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, increment and decrement. So addition means any 8-bit number of the contents of a register. Contents of a memory location can be added to the contents of the accumulator and the sum is stored in the accumulator. No number of two others 8 registers can be added directly, okay. Next one is first one in arithmetic operation. First one is addition. Just I discuss it just now. And next one is subtraction. Now I discuss about subtraction in arithmetic operation. Any 8-bit number or the contents of a register or the register of a memory location can be subtracted from the content of the accumulator and the results stored in the accumulator. So the subtraction is performed in 2s complement. We know about 2s complement. If you don't know about 2s complement, then go to my digital electronics playlist and here you can notice about 2s complement. And the result, if negative, are expressed in 2s complement, okay. And next one is in arithmetic operation, increment or decrement or decrement. So the 8-bit contents of a register or a memory location can be increment or decrement by 1. Similarly, the 16-bit contents of a register pair can be increment or decrement by 1. This increment and decrement operations differ from addition and subtraction in the important way, okay. Now next one is logical operation. That's the logical operation, okay. So actually this is instruction perform various logical operations with the contents of the accumulator. These are like AND gate, OR gate, AND OR, NOT, and rotate, compare, complement. So we know about AND OR NOT. This is contents of a register or a memory locations can be logically ANDed, ORed, and exclusive OR with the contents of the accumulator. Now rotate. Each bit in the accumulator can be shifted either left or right to the next position. Rotate. This is a rotate and or exclusive or okay. Now compare. Actually what is compare in logical operations? Any 8-bit number of or the contents of the register or a memory location can be compared for quality greater than or less than with the contents of the accumulator. Now complement. So the contents of the accumulator can be complemented. All 0s are replaced by 1s and all 1s are replaced by 0s. Okay. Now I discuss about branching operation. That's the branching operation. So branching operation, actually the group of instruction alerts the sequence of a program execution either considerationally or conditionally or unconditionally. This is a like jump, call, return, restart. So what is actually jump in branching operation? Jump. Okay. So conditional jumps are an important aspect of the discussion making process in the program. This is instruction test for a certain conditions like 0 or carry flags. Okay. Now call, return and restart in branching operation. The instruction changes the sequence of a program either by calling at subordinate or returning from the subordinate. The conditional call and return instruction also can be test conditional flag. Okay. And next one is machine control operation. That's the machine control operation in following 5. So machine control operations in microprocessor are copying data, performing or arithmetic operations, performing logical operations, and testing for a given condition and alerting the program sequence. Okay. So thank you everyone. Subscribe my channel and see you in next one.